5 Best Shark Vacuum for Hardwood Floors and Carpet Reviews. Number 1. Shark Apex Vacuum for Carpet and Hard Floor Cleaning. We are featuring our first product from Shark, which is one of the most efficient tools out there. Thanks to its duoclean feature that allows you to use it for both hardwoods and carpets. It is versatile, reliable, and the overall size is relatively compact. The tool includes a self-cleaning 0M technology for providing non-stop hair removal. With the assistance of the dual brush roll system, it is highly capable of cleaning carpets in order to ensure a polished look. For your convenience, you can detach the canister and enter into the hard-to-reach surfaces with less effort. This vacuum is designed to offer you the chance to capture heaps of debris with ease. It will take a short time to clean your entire house, as it equips a powerful 11.3 amp motor. Number 2. Shark HV382 Rocket duoclean Bagless Vacuum. So, you are wondering about getting a piece of vacuum with ultralight design, right? If so, then you should get yourself this individual model from Shark Ninja, which is handy as well as versatile. When it comes to weight, Shark Ninja HV382 is only 9.9 pounds. That will be quite simple to maneuver. Even if you are holding it for long, your hands won't get fatigued at all. The overall shape is another plus. Like our previous model, it equips dual brush roll system that enables you to clean your surface in the way you want. Whether it is small, large, or stuck on particles, this is going to be a piece of cake to capture those things. The integrated LED lights offer visibility, for which you can make your cleaning task easy and efficient at the same time. Make sure to use the speed options in a proper way. Use speed 1 for bare floors and speed 2 for cleaning carpets. Number 3. Shark Rotator Powered TruePet Upright Vacuum. If outlook and versatility are both your first priority, then you should have a look at the Shark NV752. Alongside the unique features, it is loaded with an outstanding appearance that will make you go awestruck. By keeping the outlook aside, let's move on to its striking features. First thing first, it packs a unique, lift away feature, which enables you to enter into the small areas with minimal effort. Furthermore, the detachable canister offers you the chance to ensure deep cleaning by reaching under the bed and sofa, corner of your furniture, etc. Alongside it, the tool has equipped an above-floor mode, for which you can clean the stuck-on particles and furniture in a breeze. On top of that, the vacuum is quite simple to use. Guess why? T features fingerprint controls on the handle so that you can directly switch it between carpet and hard floor modes. Number 4. Shark Navigator Lift Away Professional Vacuum. We highly suggest picking up this one if you are unable to expend extras but need a solution to clean up your hard floor. This model is as cheap as chips yet filled with some great features. Equips a powerful 10.0 amp motor to make your cleaning task perfect. Like the previous one, it offers an XL-sized dust canister so that you can collect the dust or debris quickly and effectively. While you need it to lift it away, make sure to press a button and ready for entering on tough-to-reach surfaces. Thankfully, Shark Navigator NV356E comes with a HEPA filter to hold large or small particles with ease. Plus, you will get an anti-allergen system to cast away around 99.9% of allergens from the air. For assuring deep cleaning, this particular vacuum could be more than enough. Number 5. Shark Ion Robot with Wi-Fi and voice control. If you are fond of a battery-powered vacuum, then it is going to be a perfect choice for you. This robotic-type vacuum includes a lithium-ion battery that is long-lasting and designed to capture a lot of dust in a smart way. It comes with more suction power, able to provide you the possibility of making deep and perfect cleanup, thanks to its tri-brush unique system. Besides, you can pick up both small and large particles, as well as stuck-on particles since it equips an extra-large dust canister. Whether it is a hard floor or carpet, you can ensure a clean surface effortlessly. Even the tool requires a minimal amount of maintenance, luckily. Not the dust only, but it can either capture pet hairs and tiny particles also.